Good Friday evening, everyone. Beautiful day, beautiful weather for this Good Friday with a lot of sunshine. We had low humidity. Our high temperatures got into the mid to upper 80s. Let's go ahead and switch back to Max 1 back there if we can. Thank you very much. Take a look at the winds. This is the reason why it is not humid. We've got winds out of the north to northeast between 7 to 14 miles an hour. Now, sadly, that humidity starts to come back by late tonight and tomorrow. It's still very warm out there with temperatures in the lower 90s in Rio Grande City. It's 85 in Weslaco, 79 in Brownsville, and 76 in Port Isabel. Let's talk about the forecast for Easter Sunday. Mostly sunny skies, dry, but it is going to be very warm for the afternoon. In the morning for the Easter egg hunts, it is going to be cool with temperatures in the upper 60s, but warm during the day, windy and humid. High temperatures will reach the upper 80s. Here's your evening planner forecast. Not too bad for this Friday night. We're going to have mostly sunny skies at 7 p.m. with temperatures in the lower 80s. Those temperatures will tumble as the sun goes down. It's going to be clear overnight and cool with temperatures in the lower 70s at 9 p.m. and upper 60s at 11 o'clock tonight. Our overnight lows will dip into the upper 50s. So if you're on it about late tonight and early Saturday morning, you'll want a sweater or a jacket. Take a look at the temperatures across Texas right now. It's 73 in Midland, 71 in Abilene, 67 up in Dallas-Fort Worth, 70 in Amarillo, 86 in Laredo, and 72 degrees in Houston. We've had very nice weather today here in the valley thanks to a big dome of high pressure, the Big Blue H, big stable air mass over Texas. We cannot say the same for our friends in the southeast and the mid-Atlantic states with that big storm system. That's the same system that caused some problems here in Texas a couple of nights ago. Look at this. Tornado watches continue in the red for Maryland, Washington, D.C., all the way down to Virginia and North Carolina, with tornado warnings continuing just northwest of Richmond and also south of Richmond on I-95. To the south, tornado watches continue for North Carolina with severe thunderstorm warnings for eastern North Carolina. More tornado watches for Charlotte, North Carolina, as well as Greenville, South Carolina. To the south, on the tail end of that storm system, severe thunderstorm watches continue for parts of South Florida from Naples all the way to West Palm Beach and up to Fort Pierce. None of that here. It stays very quiet in the valley with high pressure hanging on, so it's just going to be mostly sunny for this weekend. Very warm, but mostly sunny, although the winds will crank up for Sunday, Easter Sunday. And for tomorrow, since we're going to be on the backside of high pressure, sadly, the humidity starts to come back for Saturday and especially for Sunday. Still dry on Monday, but another front tries to approach by Wednesday and Thursday. So for Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to put in a chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms, maybe even for Tuesday night and early Friday. Until then, it's just dry tomorrow, dry Easter Sunday, and dry on Monday. On the water, we'll have winds out of the southeast at 10 to 20 knots. The bay waters are a moderate chop, and the seas are 2 to 5 feet. Here's your first Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast. Clear and cool for this Friday night with lows reaching the upper 50s. Then for tomorrow, sunny, warm, and breezy, but more humid thanks to winds coming from the southeast at 10 to 20 miles an hour. High temperatures will reach the upper 80s. And here's that 7-day forecast. More of the same for Easter Sunday. Windy, sunny, and humid with highs in the upper 80s. Still windy and warm on Monday and dry. We'll put in a 20% chance of some spotty thunderstorms on Tuesday, mainly the evening. And at this point, a 30% chance of some scattered thunderstorms for Wednesday and Thursday. The highs are in the mid 80s Thursday and next Friday, with morning lows next week in the upper 60s to lower 70s. That's your first Warn 5 forecast. Now here's Christian.